So today, nothing crazy, nothing fancy, just simple moments. We started with a small conversation, just talking, laughing, enjoying the vibe. Then they came back with the real star of the day, burgers, two beef, and two crispy chicken. And yes, we are ready. But wait, before we attack the food, we had that look like, are you ready? Because once we start, there is no going back. We said, let's reach it from the first bite. Beef team or chicken team? No stress, no phones, just us and four burgers in front of us. Let's do it. The first rule: ketchup on the fries, always. Then what? Just wait. That first bite, that first bite that makes you close your eyes for a second. Yeah, that one. After that, no more talking. Just serious eating mood activated. Both of us we taking bites like we didn't eat all day. And to finish it perfectly, cold drink, straw in, one big sip. Simple date, simple happiness, that's it.